The official design of the Samsung Galaxy A57 has just leaked, and this mid-range phone is looking more premium than ever. Exclusive renders of the Samsung Galaxy A57 have surfaced, giving us our first clear look at the company's upcoming mid-range contender. While a few details about the phone were revealed earlier, this is the first time we're seeing official quality renders that showcase the device from both the front and the back. We have two images, and they reveal a black color variant of the phone. Starting with the front, the Galaxy A57 features a flat display with a centered punchbowl camera at the top. The bezels appear quite slim, which is expected in this segment. They look mostly uniform, although the bottom bezel seems slightly thicker compared to the other sides, at least based on these renders. One interesting design detail is on the right side of the frame. The area where the buttons are placed slightly protrudes outward. Samsung calls this design element the key island. This could potentially be the updated version, possibly branded as Key Island, similar to what we recently saw on the Galaxy A17. As for the physical buttons, the power or lock key is positioned just below the volume up and down buttons on the right side. These appear to be the only physical buttons on the device. The frame itself is flat, giving the phone a modern and clean look. Turning to the back, the Galaxy A57 sports a triple camera setup located in the top left corner. The three cameras are vertically aligned and placed within a single camera island that slightly protrudes from the back panel. An LED flash sits right next to the camera module. The back panel looks completely flat and minimal, with Samsung branding placed toward the bottom. Unfortunately, the renders do not show the top and bottom edges of the device, but there should not be any surprises there. You can expect a standard USB Type-C port, microphone cutouts, and a loudspeaker grill on the bottom side. Overall, the Galaxy A57 appears to bring a refined and premium-inspired design to the mid-range category. If Samsung pairs this look with solid specs and competitive pricing, it could easily become one of the most popular phones in its segment. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy A57's design? Let me know in the comments section below. If you're into Samsung's mid-range phones, I've got some fresh leaks for you today. Two new Galaxy A series devices, the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57, are getting closer to launch, and new details have just popped up online. So here's what's new. Both phones have now appeared on the Google Play console list of supported devices. That's usually a pretty solid sign that Samsung is actively testing them and that the official launch isn't too far away. Now for the model numbers, because this part actually matters. The Galaxy A37 is listed with multiple variants: SM A3760, SM A376B, SM A376E, SM A376U, SM A376U1, and SATM A376W. The Galaxy A57 also shows up with several versions: SM A5760, SM A576B, SM A576Q, SM A576U1, SM A576W, and SM A576Z. What this tells us is that Samsung is planning a wide global rollout, including different regions and carriers, plus official US models. When you see this many variants appear in certification databases, launch is usually pretty close. Now let's talk design. Leaked renders suggest Samsung is still playing with the key island look. The Galaxy A57 is expected to keep that raised button island design seen on recent Galaxy phones, while the Galaxy A37 may use a slightly different single-frame bump design. On the hardware side, early reports point to both phones coming with a 5000 mAh battery and 45 W fast charging, which is great news for mid-range devices. There's also talk of new 50MP cameras with sensors sourced from Sony and Samsung, so camera quality on the A series could get a nice upgrade this year. So yeah, between the listings, leaks, and renders, it looks like Samsung is getting ready to make these official very soon. Which one are you more interested in, the Galaxy A37 or the A57? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to stay on top of Samsung leaks and launches, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.